What's going on, Chemical Guys family, and thanks so much for tuning in for another episode of Detail Garage. Today we're taking a step back from the automotive care and going back to the original form of transportation, and that is our shoes. And as you see, these white Air Force Ones are looking a little worse for wear because the owner just got back from a large-scale music festival where walking through days of dirt and mud have accumulated on the white finish, dulling it out and making it look just kind of dingy. So today we're going to go over the process of how to remove all that and restore that brilliant white finish. To begin, we've ordered to remove the laces and stuck them in a bucket with warm water and lightning fast, which helps to remove any kind of stains and embedded grime. And after letting those soak, we're going to let those air dry, but in the meantime, we're going to start focusing on the shoe. And just like with the vehicle, we're going to start with the dirtiest area, and that is the bottom of the shoe, because you track through all kinds of messes and grime. And as you see, they look a little brown and faded. So to begin, using lightning fast, this is a stain extractor that's safe for all of your vinyl, rubber, plastic, cloth, and imitation surfaces. We're just going to spray a generous mist and allow this to dwell while we grab our brush. And this is going to break down any kind of stains and grime that give you that brown effect. And also using a nifty brush, we're just going to start scrubbing away any kind of filth. Now just using a clean microfiber towel, we're wiping away the spent product and the filth that comes with the shoe. And already it's starting to look a lot brighter, even on the areas that we just gently scrubbed away using the nifty brush. Again, this can be used on any kind of vinyl, rubber, plastic, cloth surfaces, as well as imitation, leather and pleather, to give you that beautiful finish. Now on the top half, we'll be using leather cleaner, which is designed for leather surfaces as well as imitation leather. And again, this is going to help lift off the filth and messes that the owner was walking through. And to help us scrub, we'll use a horsehair brush, which is designed for your sensitive surfaces. This will agitate the cleaner, giving you that foaming action. And that foaming action is what lifts off the stubborn grime. Now to get around the smaller areas and the more intricate areas, such as underneath the tongue here and around the perforations and the logos, we'll be using a boar's hair brush with some leather cleaner, just to remove any kind of hard to reach messes and grime and brighten up the overall finish of the shoe. Now using HydroLeather, which is safe for your leather as well as imitation leather surfaces, to create a durable SiO₂ barrier. This ceramic finish is going to resist any kind of harsh elements as well as dust and UV rays that cause that dingy look, and it's really easy to apply. So we'll start by shaking up the bottle, and using a microfiber applicator pad, we'll spray a few mists onto the applicator itself, and then just start working it into the surface of the shoe and allowing it to dry, covering all of the leather as well as imitation leather surfaces to give you that durable layer of protection. And again, it's really easy to apply, and also you can reapply it as often as desired. This will keep your shoes as well as any kind of other imitation leather and leather surfaces looking as best as it can for as long as possible. So not only is this adding a durable layer of protection, but this is also going to help keep the surface looking cleaner for longer by resisting any kind of dirt and grime. And there you have it, guys. You see how easy it is to apply HydroLeather. And after giving it about 30 seconds to bond to the surface, we're gonna grab a clean microfiber towel and buff off any of the excess to reveal that natural finish. And again, it's ceramic protected now, which means it's going to resist any kind of harsh elements so they can look its best for as long as possible. Alrighty guys, so we just finished cleaning and protecting this one shoe, and already you can tell it looks amazing. We'll pull off the other shoe just so you can remember what it looked like before when we started. Dirt and grime have clotted the surface, giving you that brown, dingy look. And on the right, we have the beautiful, brilliant white finish from using lightning fast, as well as the leather cleaner, and then finishing off with HydroLeather to protect the finish. Now we've already let those laces sit in the bucket with warm water and lightning fast, softening up any kind of grime and dirt that's embedded in the fabric. And then we're gonna pull it out and let it dry before we lace it up. But in the meantime, you guys can check out all these products on our website, chemicalguys.com, or at your local detail garage. If you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop your comments down below for any future videos or anything you may have questions about that we used today. And we'll see you guys next time right here in the detail garage.